Here we have the eaglet babies at 3 weeks old. Hi, little boy. We just replaced the bedding because it's cold again. It's cold, it's hot, it's cold. So, what you doing over there? You crawled out. Come here. Come here, Miss Adventure. Miss Adventure, little girl. Hi, we got our eyes open. There you go. Oh, I know. We got lots of warm bedding in there now. Here's another little girl. Hi, cutie pie. And another little boy. Look at those freckles on that nose. So cute, so cute, so cute. There you go. Clean bedding. Oh, these guys know where it's at in here. They stayed under there. And Mama says, hi. Oh, food, food, food. Num, num, num. Takes a lot to nurse this horde. Hi, sweetie. Little girl. Oh, you're so cute, cute, cute. And hi, the little white one. Little white boy. Oh, little white boy. Oh, we got some tan on our ears. And last one. Little girl. Aren't we cute? We're so cute. There we go. Warm, warm bedding. Lots of warm bedding. And there's a heating pad under the blanket. So we can get on the heating pad. We can get off the heating pad. Whatever our little hearts desire. Right? We got deluxe puppy accommodations. Yes, we do.